Hello, rapid sale buyers. Welcome to the Kaler moving sale. As Mr. Kaler is selling his home and retiring to a retirement villa, and here is his Acadia SLE with extremely low kilometers on it. A sharp, spotless vehicle. Got that bright cherry red look to it. You know, it's all-wheel drive with low kilometers on it, less than 50,000 kilometers. I will show you momentarily, but as we do the walk around, give you a quick look on it. It's got lots of options to it. It's got two sets of rims and tires for it. It's got the same matching factory original aluminum rims for the summer tires and for the winter tires. We've got it certified for you. So when we took it in to get certified, we thought, well, it's being September, we'd get the winter tires put on for you at the same time. And I mean, they're knee deep. They've hardly ever been driven at all in the winter time. So inside, it's got all of the options that it needs. It's got backup camera, 45,793 kilometers on it, all-wheel drive, backup camera, as I say. Hopefully you can see the kilometers here. And we'll take it for a spin. Spotless, fitted floor mats, front and back, rear climate control, seats fold down. Let's see here, how do you open this up? Oh, there it is. Oh, maybe it's down here. There we go. It's down at the very bottom, but it's even got the fitted mat for the cargo area. Spotless, and I mean spotless. So let's take it for a spin down the road for you. Inside, there's no rust on it anywhere, and I mean anywhere. Sorry, it could use a slight dusting, but it's got the OnStar to it up here. Ice cold air. So let's give her a roll here. Throw my seatbelt on. And away we go. Anyways, as you always know, this road is a rough road, but this vehicle drives extremely well. As we said, it's been certified. They went through it with a fine-tooth comb. They had gone over, so it's been certified. $1,600 worth of work to get it done, to make sure that it would meet today's stringent MTO standards. It's got a good stereo in it, and as you can tell, it drives and rides well. The brakes are awesome on it, feels great. If somebody's looking for a good SUV, here is your opportunity. Been regularly serviced for oil, because there's our sticker up there for the next oil service at 54,000 kilometers. We'll just do a UE here. No problem at all. Nice tight turning radius, and here she goes. Accelerates extremely smooth and We're up to 80, no trouble at all, no hesitation. Beautiful September fall day. We're into prime weather. Again, all-wheel drive, power windows, locks, backup camera, lots of bells and whistles on it. It's even got the speed sensor alert on it, so if you set it to alarm you when you're going too fast, it reads the speed signs that alarm you, so you don't get any of these unexpected speeding tickets in the mail. I don't know anybody who has done that yet. Actually I do know. So anyways, they accumulate pretty quickly if you don't have the speed sensor alignment on it. We're just pulling into the yard. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine running. I don't think you're disappointed yet, are you? Just gotta pull the hood latch. Excuse me. There she is. As you can hear outside, she's a smooth running machine. There we go. Extremely smooth. There's no shimmy or shake. There's no rust in around under the hood anywhere. So anyways, there's my time is up. 7 minutes of a video for you. But you got a GMC really showy looking machine here for you with that bright red with chrome. So if you're interested in this, here's your opportunity to bid, buy, and win a well-maintained unit, or buy used that's certified, or go spend $65,000, $70,000 on a new one. Bid, buy, and win. All the best to you.